Hey guys, today I'll be showing you something really cool. CodeGraph. Now, what this does is, let's take for example this repo. Alright, I cloned it here. Normally, when you have a coding agent like OpenCode or whatever, it will go through each and every one, read it, and try to find the connection between them, and that costs a lot of tokens. So the solution is CodeGraph, as what it does is just basically takes this repo and connects them and makes a graph. That's an actual graph that you can see, but a graph that the coding agent will use to help and speed up things and costs much less. So the installation is very simple. So if you're on Windows, all you have to do is just take this, go to PowerShell and paste it. I already did that, so we don't have to bother. But after you've done that, go to CodeGraph install. This will install it, and I just left this here so you can follow along. It will ask you a couple of questions: which agents, install the graph CLI on your path, stuff like that. So just pick the answers that you're comfortable with, and after that you're all set. So once you have CodeGraph, you need just this command, CodeGraph ini. Once you run it, it will do something like this. It will take this entire file system, this entire repo, and it will make a graph out of it. And as you can see, the end result, it indexed all the files, created nodes, created the links, and everything. Now that you have it, the good thing about it is that that's it, you have it. What you need to do now is just go open your coding agent, in this case OpenCode. Before you begin, just a couple of things I want to point out to know that CodeGraph actually worked, and if you're not sure about it, you will see a .codegraph this. Alright, so once that's done, again go back to OpenCode and just ask a question. That's it, you don't need to a special command or anything. Since .code exists, OpenCode will recognize it and it will use it. So let's ask, how does this work? And you just let it go. And if we see, it just gave us an answer and used the code graph, and it was lightning fast. It didn't take much time, like 12.7 seconds, and we didn't use that much token. I hope you guys found this helpful. This is a very useful tool, especially if you're working on a giant code base. This helps a lot. By the way, if you didn't notice, I just cloned their repo in here to use it as a demonstration. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Goodbye.